Alright, so I kept telling you guys that I fix my phones myself. So this is an LG V20. You see the top right corner of my screen. So I'm going to be changing this screen right now. So fucked up. This is the first screen I used earlier. I fucked it up. Like I told you guys earlier, I done imported these screens long ago. Imported them a while ago, so I'm not really careful with screens. So here is a brand new one, and this screen has been with me for almost 2 years now. I have been waiting for this one to completely get damaged, and it refused to. It just stayed put like this. It remained so. But I think it's giving me enough embarrassment. So we're going to be fixing this new screen. Check that out, brand new. And if you observe from the screens I import, I always import with the frame. I don't import just the screens. So let's fix this and see how it goes. So the way I import it comes with some DIY tools. Do it yourself. The first thing I'll do, I'm picking up my patch. The first thing I'll do is remove I've powered off my phone, of course. Next thing I want to do is take off my batteries, my memory card, phone. Okay. So now if you look easy, you have all these nuts that I really have to unscrew, and then there are some at the center, right? Yeah. So I'll just unscrew them all. And to unscrew them, don't forget my tools here. Take my DIY tools. Let me see if this will do the job. Okay, it's too smooth. I think this will be slimmer. I need something a little bit. Okay, this is just great. This is just great. So I'm going to unscrew them all. Alright, we are done with that. As you can see, there are 4 screws at the top, 4 at the center, or what do I call that now? More like here, this section here. There were 4 screws here, 4 screws at the top. There were 3 on the battery section, and then there were 4 at the bottom. So those are all the screws. That's totaling about 15 screws. Now the next thing we would want to do is taking off this part. Take this off. Take them off from the bottom and the top. And there we go. So you take it off from the top and bottom so that you can have access to next thing we're going to do is take off this part of the screen, take it out. So I need my two hands, so I'll be pausing this video again. Just a little safety precaution here. LG phones really do have lots and lots of nuts everywhere. Like the moment you take out that bottom portion, you're going to see a nut here which you have to unscrew to be able to, remove this part, and there will be some sort of clips around here. You have to apply precaution when lifting this, and if you reach here, you realize that this upper part has to be taken out before you take off this part, and you may be struggling. There is actually another screw here that is holding it. Because of this tape, you may not really know, so you want to look out for that. Now that we've taken everything out, that's for this. I think possibly my stuff might have broken. I don't know. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, it's not broken, I guess, because here again, here is another screw which we have to unscrew. The moment we do that, we have access to the screen. To remove the screen, all we have to do is very easy. Unclip this, and then you can, after unclipping, that's the screen. You can literally, all you have to do is, we're going to take off this panel. We're going to take off this panel and put this panel on this new screen, because the screen comes with the frame. Yeah, so let's get that done. As you can see, we've done just that. So this is the motherboard of the LG V20. This is literally everything. So if you have this paste, you can just drop a little here. So this is literally everything. So you also have to be cautious and ensure that you are placing everything like this kind of BioLice battery. You can place it here too and do all of that configuration. Said earlier, you have to be very, very careful. Here is the old screen. You can see the cracks and all. Here is the new screen. See, it's smoother. Only from the frame. So if you ought to know, you see how I meticulously transferred everything. You have to be careful with that. I took the audio jack and inserted it here. That's all you need for the bottom. Now when this is in check, this is in check. I don't know what this is, but I took it off here and I kept it here. See that there? I took the speaker, took it off here and inserted it here. So everything is just how they ought to be. Now the next thing, after, make sure you calm down, observe very well, ensure everything is just intact. Afterwards, all you have to do is insert your frame back like this, like so. Then remember this connection point. You just clip the screen back. You clip this new screen back to this frame, then you tie back. So let's go ahead and do that. Right, we're making great progress. So the first thing I would like to do is insert this here and screw this point. I'm going to screw this point first, then I insert this, then I insert this, screw. As you can see, I've done everything I said. It remains to couple it completely. This is the screen, everything is working perfectly. Now let's do the complete coupling. All right, we are done. I'm just going to couple all of this. I've inserted my SIM card, I've inserted my memory card, then my battery. Okay. And voila. Well, don't mind me though. You don't see my camera lens. I broke it off long ago. So, and of course, I also imported some screen protectors. I'm a very careless person, so I won't make that mistake of not using one anymore. So I have a couple of screen protectors here, about 5 or so. So I'm just going to install that, so you too can do the same. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like to. Alright, so I've inserted the screen protector, and that's all.